What's up? It's Meaty Mike. My name's Mike and I love meat. Today we're firing up the smoker and cooking up some Old Bay shrimp. Let's do it. Alright, so I got about 2 pounds of gall shrimp here. There's not much to this, guys. It's pretty simple. I got 2 sticks of melted salted butter here with a mixture of minced garlic and fresh parsley. Nothing crazy. Half a lemon I'll add to that. Squeeze the juice out. Yeah. Mix it back up. We'll put that to the side because now we're going to put some Old Bay seasoning on our shrimp. And you can use anything you want. If you want to go Cajun, go Cajun. You got your favorite store-bought brand or your own homemade, you're good to go. Then you want to make sure you get the other side, so turn them over. That's good. Ooh, I love me some Old Bay. So now we can just give it a good shake and then pour our butter mixture right over the shrimp. Give it a good stir. Get that garlic and that parsley in there. Mix it up. I'm gonna throw a couple sticks of rosemary on there because, I don't know, why not? And that's all there is to it. So when we're done mixing it up, we're just gonna throw this right in the smoker. So these are ready to go. I got my smoker set up to temp at 275. This is gonna be a slow cook, 20 to 25 minutes, so don't walk away from your smoker. You're gonna wanna stay close. I'm using a mesquite wood. It's gonna give it a little bit of a kick with that Old Bay seasoning. You're gonna wanna stir it about halfway through, but after that, that's it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. We're gonna pull them out 20, 25 minutes and then we can eat. We just pulled our shrimp out of the smoker. It looks great, good color on it. 25 minutes at 275. Put a little bit more of your seasoning on to top it off. Squeeze the other half of your lemon. Woo! And then we're just gonna dive in. That's good shrimp. And that's just soaked and cooked in that butter. Good mesquite flavor on top and mixed with that Old Bay seasoning. This is a great lunch. Get some bread, mop this butter up because it's delicious. So appreciate you watching. Go put some Old Bay shrimp in your smoker. You won't be disappointed. Stay tuned for the next video.